Hey y'all, it's me, Mika, aka Curly Monroe here, and welcome back to my channel. New year, new me.
Wet.
Not really though. Happy New Year, y'all. This is my first video of 2018 and I'm super excited because it is a wig review. It's been so long since I've done one of these. I mean, this used to be all my channel was about. Like, that's it. So it's good to be bringing back the roots. You know what I'm saying? I know y'all love them and I do too. This is a sponsored video from Videowithmonroe, but y'all know I keep it 100. So let's go ahead and get into this thing. Oh, also before we get started, let me know below in the comments if you prefer straight hair or curly hair. What kind of wigs do you look for when you go shopping for a wig? Okay, so this is Misha. This is what she looks like if y'all can see that. So Misha is premium synthetic hair. She has a 4-inch part and she's heat and style and safe up to 400 degrees. So let's go ahead and slip her out. This is what she looks like. I chose the color 99J because of the fact that there was no more 1B left. And I like that this is still black but has hints of red in it. So it's like a black cherry color, I think. That's what it's described as. But yes, so this is what the cap looks like. There are 3 combs, 1 here and 2 in the front. Oh wow, the adjustable strap can go far in. It has an adjustable strap in the back, so if you have a really tiny head, it's easier for you to adjust it. The wefts are sewn down so sleekly, and I'm guessing that's so you can lay your hair, like, you know what I mean? The lace is from ear to ear, which is good. Yeah, I guess let me go ahead and try this thing on. I'll be right back.
A few moments later.
So let's talk about it. I haven't done any plucking on this unit, even though I probably will because the part is not, it ain't hitting it 100% for me, but it did the job just for a first try on, which I think is really good. I did go ahead and add concealer to my part, and I went ahead and used some Gots to be glued to, you know, lay her down. It's like, it's super sleek, like super sticky. Honestly, can y'all see that? This is lump right here is my braid. It's super sleek. I guess really silky is the word I'm looking for. Silky? Yeah, silky. It has shed a lot. Like, as I'm just pulling my hands through, the girl is shedding. Misha, she's shedding a little bit. I do feel like it does remind me of my natural straightening days, my relaxed days. It looks like relaxed hair. It's just a little bit too shiny. I'm probably going to put some dry shampoo in it later and see if I can take some of the extreme shine away. But yeah, I'm kind of feeling it a little bit. Am I feeling it? I think so. This is how long she is. Guess like mid-boobage area. And she's cutting layers, so that's good. Sometimes when your hair is all one length, it kind of looks a little funny. So yeah, that is what she looks like. I am going to wear her today. Do a little wear test, see how I feel about her. But she's bomb so far. I just wish she didn't shed so much and she wasn't as shiny. But I'm going to fix the shine in a second. And yeah, that is this review on Bobbi Boss's Misha. You can find her below in the description box. I'll go ahead and link straight to the place where I got it from. You guys can go to dvtrust.com and search Misha, or you can just click the link because, you know, I gotta make it easy for you guys, right? Like, who wants to go search when you could just click it and be there? I hope you guys enjoyed this. Always remember to spread love, inspire others, and strive for greatness. And I'll see y'all soon. Bye.